Is the UPPAbaby Vista V3 worth the price, or do the features of the Mockingbird 2.0 offer a similar value for less? When it comes to the fold, both strollers fold easily and can stand up on their own when folded. But the Mockingbird folds with one hand, making it easier to manage while holding a baby or bag, while the Vista needs two hands to fold, which can be trickier when your hands are full. For recline options, both strollers offer a one-handed recline and provide a near-flat position, but the Vista offers 6 recline positions, giving you more precise control over your baby's comfort, while the Mockingbird has 5 recline positions, offering slightly less flexibility. As far as newborn compatibility, both strollers can be used from birth with add-ons like a bassinet, an infant insert, or an infant car seat, but the Vista is compatible with UPPAbaby infant car seats without any adapters and other popular infant car seats with an adapter. The Mockingbird will always require a car seat adapter, but it is compatible with over 40 different brands. And then for multiple children, both strollers are designed to grow with your family and offer a ride-along board for a third child. But the Mockingbird 2.0 has more flexibility with over 22 seat configurations. It offers 2 full-size seats and allows you to place the bassinet in the higher position, while the Vista's second seat is smaller than the main seat and smaller than either of the Mockingbirds, so your child will outgrow it faster. You also can't place the bassinet in the top position when it's paired with the seat, though you can if you're using 2 bassinets. When it comes to the handlebars, both strollers have adjustable handlebars for users of different heights, but the Vista has a telescoping handlebar that adjusts with one hand, while the Mockingbird's handlebar swivels up and down and requires 2 hands to adjust. For the canopy, both strollers have a large, extendable UPF 50+ canopy and peekaboo windows. But the Vista's canopy is slightly larger and has a magnetic closure for the peekaboo window. And while the Mockingbird's peekaboo window does not have a magnetic closure, the canopy does have a pop-out eye shade. When it comes to storage space, both strollers offer large storage baskets, but the Vista's holds up to 30 pounds and includes mesh compartments for smaller items, while the Mockingbird has a 25-pound weight limit and does not include any extra compartments. For the size and weight, both strollers are full-sized and built to handle the weight of 1 or 2 kids, but the Vista feels sturdier and easier to push, even when it's packed with stuff, while the Mockingbird can feel heavier and harder to steer with 2 kids and is trickier to lift in and out of a trunk. For maneuverability and ride, both strollers have suspension systems, never flat tires, and locking front wheels to help with stability. But the Vista offers a smoother, more comfortable ride across a variety of terrains, thanks to its advanced suspension, while the Mockingbird rides well on smooth surfaces but feels bumpier on rough ground, especially with 2 kids. For longevity, both strollers have solid builds, making them practical for long-term use. But the Vista offers higher quality materials and better long-term durability. It holds up through the years of daily use and retains strong resale value, while the Mockingbird has less premium components that may show wear sooner with heavy use, and its resale market isn't as strong. For value and affordability, there is a sizable difference in price. The Mockingbird is the lower priced option, while the Vista is the higher premium price option. Our final take, both strollers are great single to double strollers. The UPPAbaby is a trusted, well-loved brand, and the Vista V3 has long been the go-to for parents looking for durability and advanced features. However, the Mockingbird 2.0 shines if you're looking for more value, with 2 full-size seats, cheaper add-ons, and significant savings, all for half the price.